Looking to get the best subwoofer wireless kit for 2022? Look no further than our selection of the best models available today. Our subwoofer wireless kits are designed to give you an amazing sound experience, whether you're streaming music or watching TV. With so many options on the market, it can be hard to decide which one is right for you. So check out our selection and find the perfect subwoofer for your needs. In the description box, we have included links. Come on, let's get started. At number 1 is SVS SoundPath Wireless Audio Adapter. The SoundPath Wireless Audio Adapter lets you connect your subwoofer wirelessly without sacrificing performance quality. This device ensures no audio delays with its frequency response range of 6 Hz to 22,000 Hz +/1 dB and ultra-low latency. It also supports the 2.4 GHz frequency band, which is fine, but may cause interference when other devices are using the same band. Even in a large room, the 60-foot range lets you place the subwoofer away from your stereo system. As this may affect the quality of the connection, there should be no barriers. Both the transmitter and a receiver are included in the pack. It is easy to connect the transmitter and receiver because they are paired at the factory. With this said, there are more connections options than with the wireless subwoofer kit by Ifinity with RCA ports. There is also a USB input-output port in addition to RCA ports. Two 17-inch 3.5mm stereo RCA cables, two 15-inch 3.5mm to mono-male RCA adapters, and two USB 5V DC power adapters are also included. This SVS device is the best wireless subwoofer kit because there are no delays and the sound quality is great. At number 2 is Ifinity Wireless Audio Transmitter or Receiver. Use the Ifinity transmitter or receiver to connect your subwoofer wirelessly to your stereo system, TV, or other devices. A transmitter, a receiver, two AC adapters, an RCA cable, and a 3.5mm audio cable are included in the kit. The plastic looks cheap, and the RCA cable is not of the highest quality either. As compared to the SVS wireless subwoofer kit, this one covers a distance of 50 feet. Even through the walls, there are no sound dropouts, distortions, or other interferences with this kit. High and low frequencies are covered by the 2Hz 20K Hz frequency response. I believe this 2.4 GHz transmitter or receiver has a 10-20 millisecond delay in the signal, depending on the distance. There may be a loss of sub power when you switch to this wireless system, so you'll need to adjust the bass and power settings accordingly. The manufacturer pairs this kit with your sub, so you can connect it in no time. Ifinity's wireless subwoofer adapter is a great product if you want to get rid of messy cables without spending a fortune. At number 3 is Klipsch WA2. Klipsch's wireless subwoofer kit is compatible with Klipsch, Energy, Mirage, and Jamo subwoofers. As a result, it differs from SVS subwoofer accessories that rely on USB and RCA connections. Klipsch's set includes a transmitter, receiver, and two cables. Due to the 2.4 GHz frequency, these units could pick up signals from other devices and distort your subwoofer's performance. There may be subtle thumping noises, which is never a good thing. Wireless signals are transmitted within 50 feet and have a frequency response of 15150 Hz plus 0/3 dB. In less than 5 minutes, the Klipsch wireless subwoofer transmitter and receiver can be connected to the sub. When connected to this kit, the subwoofer stays on all the time, so you will have to turn it off manually. If you want to connect your WA subwoofer wirelessly to get powerful bass, this is a great accessory. At number 4 is BIC WTRSYS. Using this 4-channel wireless kit by BIC for subwoofers and speakers, you can set up a wireless connection for around 5 devices simultaneously without upgrading the receiver on your audio system. AV receivers, PCs, Macs, mobile phones, TVs, and other gadgets with 3.5mm RCA connectors can be connected to your AV receiver with this kit. Velcro straps are also included for attaching the wireless sub-adapters. Antennas are one of the unique features of the BIC wireless kit for subs. As a result of this enhancement, the device can cover 80 unobstructed and up to 60 obstructed. However, if you wish to eliminate background noises or distortions, I recommend shortening the distance. Due to its frequency response of 20 Hz, 20 kHz, and 2.4 GHz band, the kit may interfere with other gadgets with the same frequency. When you want to connect multiple devices wirelessly, the Bic WTR-SYS kit will work for you. At number 5 is Dynasty PROUDOWSA5TR. With the Dynasty kit, you can easily connect powered subwoofers and active or powered speakers without having to worry about cables. This kit includes a receiver, a transmitter, 2 USB cables, 2 stereo RCA cables, and 1 stereo RCA to mini jack audio cable. In order to avoid interference with other wireless devices, 45 channels are automatically selected. Due to the frequency band, you may want to get the Dynasty PROUDOWSA5TR kit over the Bic WTR-SYS. In order to avoid interference with 2.4 GHz devices, it supports 5.2 GHz and 5.8 GHz bands. Also, it transmits 24-bit 48K HCCD quality high-resolution or uncompressed audio at a distance of 100 feet in line of sight or 50 feet through walls, ceilings, and floors, while there are no lags or crackling noises. Other devices on the same band may cause problems. This kit stops sending signals to my Wi-Fi system when I power it on. I also have a 4K Apple TV that does the same thing. Dynasty accessories allow you to place your subwoofers in the optimal position quickly and easily. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like it if you did. If you're new here, click the subscribe button. Wishing you all the best until the next video.